Have you ever wondered what gives wooden furniture, cars, musical instruments, and even nail polish their smooth, glossy finish? Behind that polished appearance is a material that most people see every day but rarely understand: varnish. Although it often goes unnoticed, varnish plays a vital role in protecting surfaces from moisture, sunlight, dust, scratches, and everyday wear while enhancing their natural beauty. Varnish is a transparent liquid coating that forms a hard protective film after it dries. Unlike paint, which completely hides the original surface, varnish allows the natural color, texture, and grain of the material to remain visible. This makes it one of the most popular finishes for wood, metal, artwork, and many industrial products. The history of varnish dates back thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used natural resins to preserve valuable artifacts and decorate tombs, while the Greeks coated wooden ships with primitive varnishes to protect them from water damage. Modern varnish, however, evolved dramatically during the early 20th century with the development of synthetic resins such as nitrocellulose, originally inspired by automotive paint technology. Since then, new materials like polyurethane, acrylic, epoxy, and alkyd resins have greatly expanded the performance and applications of varnish. Chemically, varnish is a carefully balanced mixture of resins, solvents, and specialized additives. The resin forms the protective film after drying, while the solvent keeps the mixture liquid enough for brushing, spraying, or rolling. Once applied, the solvent evaporates into the air, allowing the resin molecules to harden into a tough, transparent coating. Additional additives improve flexibility, UV resistance, scratch resistance, gloss retention, and drying speed. There are several types of varnish designed for different purposes. Polyurethane varnish offers exceptional durability and is commonly used on hardwood floors and furniture. Acrylic varnish is water-based, produces fewer odors, and is easier to clean, making it popular for indoor applications. Epoxy varnish provides outstanding chemical and corrosion resistance for industrial environments, while alkyd varnish performs exceptionally well outdoors because of its weather resistance. Nitrocellulose varnish remains a favorite for musical instruments and fine woodworking because of its fast drying time and beautiful finish. Varnish is found almost everywhere in daily life. It protects wooden floors, cabinets, doors, tables, boats, automobiles, paintings, sculptures, guitars, pianos, and countless manufactured products. Without varnish, many of these surfaces would quickly deteriorate due to sunlight, humidity, chemicals, or mechanical wear. Proper application is just as important as choosing the right product. The surface must be clean, dry, and smooth before applying thin, even coats. Each layer should be allowed to cure completely before the next one is added. Applying varnish in a well-ventilated area and following the manufacturer's recommendations ensures a durable, professional-quality finish that can last for many years. Although varnish may seem like a simple finishing product, it is actually the result of decades of advances in chemistry, materials science, and engineering. By combining protective performance with aesthetic appeal, it continues to be one of the most versatile coatings used in construction, manufacturing, transportation, woodworking, and countless other industries around the world.